One cannot reach gateway of India if he is holding a map of Delhi. Even if you have immense positive attitude, you got to have the right map. So today, in next 15 minutes, we will discuss about a book, The Magic of Thinking Big, written by Mr. David. Now this book has around 13 chapters, and it has 340 pages. So not very thick, and we can cover it in say maybe 1.5 week or 2 weeks maybe. But this book is very important for all of us to read. Why? Because we all want to be successful in life. Of course, the meaning of success may differ for each one of us. सबके लिए अलग अलग मतलब हो सकता है, लेकिन सक्सेसफुल सब होना चाहते हैं. तो इसका मतलब यह है कि सबसे पहली तो चीज ये होती है कि सक्सेसफुल आप तभी होगे जब आपके पास गोल हो, और जब आप अचीव कर लोगे गोल को तो वो आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाओगे. Isn't it? So that means to achieve success you need a goal, and when you achieve that goal, and goal can be anything, it all depends upon an individual what goal he has set for himself, and when he achieves that goal he becomes successful. So first the most important thing is we all must have a goal to achieve to become successful. So set a goal for yourself. Then this book thereafter provides what a content, what to do, and then it also provides a method how to do it, how to go about doing it. So first is set a goal, and then read that book, what to do and how to do it. Now, the essential aspects covered in these 13 chapters of this book, I'll summarize them so that we complete this within 15 minutes. First, you got to believe in yourself, in your abilities. The author says, he quotes the Bible, that in Bible it is said, faith can move mountain. अगर Bible में लिखा है, अगर आपका छोटा सा भी faith हो, mustard के seed के बराबर, तो भी we can move mountain. So once you believe in yourself, you automatically start thinking of success. Goal set कर लिया, then you got to believe in yourself, and that automatically starts the thinking of वो process शुरू हो जाएगा success का. Second, do not suffer from this disease excusitis, that is giving excuses. Poor health है, मैं इतना intelligent नहीं हूँ, मेरे पास inadequate preparations hain. So the author says that the production in our thought factory, that is in our mind, is under the charge of two foremen, two supervisors, okay? One Mr. Triumph and one Mr. Defeat. So Mr. Triumph जो है, he is in charge of manufacturing positive. वो सिर्फ positive thoughts manufacture करता. वो specialize करता है in producing reasons why you can do it, why we are qualified, why we will be able to do it and achieve. और जो second supervisor है, foreman है, he is Mr. Defeat. He produces only negative thoughts. He is expert in developing reasons why we cannot do it. Why are we weak? Why are we inadequate? His specialty is the why you will fail. तो सबसे wise thing, first thing is you must fire Mr. Defeat. We don't need him. We don't want him around telling us that we can't do it and you are not up to it and you will fail and so on. We must use Mr. Triumph 100% of the time. When any thought enters your mind, ask Mr. Triumph to go to work for you and he will show you the way. जैसे ही कोई थॉट अंदर आता है माइंड में, तो मिस्टर ट्रियम्फ को बोलो कि वो काम करना शुरू कर दें और वो फिर अपने आप रास्ता दिखाएंगे. तो ये जो बिलीफ का है वो हम कैसे क्रिएट करें और हम कैसे ये यकीन करें कि हम फेलियर के बारे में सोचे ही नहीं. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज व्हेन अपॉर्चुनिटी अपीयर्स, जिस रूप में भी आती है अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है, think I can do it and not I can't do it. Thinking success all the time वो mind को condition कर देती है to create plans that produces success. Keep reminding yourself regularly that you are better than you think you are and success will follow. जो लोग successful होते हैं आप उनको notice करो, author से they are not superman or they are super intellectuals. They are ordinary people, but their mind has not been defeated by Mr. Defeat. उनका production का supervisor कौन है? Mr. Triumph. So we have to keep telling ourselves every time that we are better and we can do it. Third, he says is believe, have big belief. The size of your success is determined by the size of your belief. Big ideas, big plans are often easier, certainly, no more difficult than small ideas and small plans. The author quotes chairman of the board of General Electric Company, who said in a leadership conference that we need from every man who aspires to become leader in the company, he must undertake a personal program of self-development. Nobody is going to order a man to develop himself. Whether a man lags behind or moves ahead in his specialty is a matter of his own personal application. This is something which takes time and sacrifice, but nobody can do it for us. So it's a personal development program which one has to undertake. हम मिस्टर ट्रियम्फ को भी ड्यूटी पे लगा लें, और फायर कर दे मिस्टर डिफीट को, लेकिन मिस्टर ट्रियम्फ जो हैं तभी काम करेंगे जब हमारा एटीट्यूड सही हो. नाउ वन कैन श्योरली नॉट अंडरमाइन द नेसेसिटी ऑफ राइट पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. वंस Saurav Ganguly, Indian cricketer, famous, had once said during a commentary of a cricket match going on, there was a discussion between two ex-players, and somebody said that so-and-so B player was more talented than Sachin Tendulkar. So Saurav Ganguly had said that time that there is no dearth of talented cricketers in India, but it is the attitude that takes them ahead. It is the attitude that is important. We often talk about positive attitude, but you can reach Gateway of India only when you have a right map of Mumbai and not of Delhi. So we need to invest more on ourselves. We need to upgrade ourselves. We need that educational updation. Learning is a continuous process. One cannot be creative and innovative unless we have the necessary skills and knowledge, right? So along with that attitude that we must have, we need to invest in our skills, in our updation, right? Then we need to be enthusiastic and action oriented. Our mind has to be action oriented. Then only Mr. Triumph will get with the work. If our mind is not action oriented, वो कभी भी काम नहीं करेगा. So try and become the go to the man attitude. जब मुसीबत में हो तो लोग बोले कि हाँ इसी के पास जाओ, यही सॉल्व करेगा, यही जाके कर सकते. There is often a quote written in कई बार मैनेजर्स अपने पीछे चेयर के पीछे कोट लगा के रखते हैं अपने केबिन में. Don't be part of the problem, be part of a solution. So try and develop that attitude where we become part of the solution and we are not part of the problem. And even if there is a problem, then we have to work out a solution for that. So once we develop this kind of an attitude, then only Mr. Triumph will get on with the work and Mr. Defeat will be fired. अगर ये attitude हम develop नहीं करेंगे तो Mr. Triumph कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, right? Then we come down to another very important aspect that he brought out. Think big. And think big like whom? He gave an example. Think like a real estate valuer does, things. He looks at the future of the land or the plot that he is selling. He looks at the future, whereas a petty thinker will look at the present. He will get stuck at the present, right? I'll give you an example. I'll explain it further. एक plot है. अब real estate valuer उसको लेते वक्त कैसे देखेगा कि यहाँ पे उसको मालूम है यहाँ पे बाईपास आने वाला है या हाईवे आने वाला है. यहाँ पे बाईपास आएगा तो यहाँ पे मॉल्स भी आएंगे, यहाँ पे स्कूल्स आएंगे, होटल्स आएंगे. So he looks at the future of that plot, of that colony, कि इसकी 5 साल में 10 साल में इसकी वैल्यू क्या होने वाली. जबकि एक पेटी थिंकर विल लुक एट कि यहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं है, जंगल में प्लॉट ले रखा है, कोई है ही नहीं, खेती खेत है, and he will not buy it. So therefore he said, think like a real estate valuer thing. He gives another very funny example. The author gives another funny example of a blind milkman. ये बंदा milkman who sells milk, he goes to a lady where जहाँ वो deliver करता था milk, and he asks her कि भाई मेरे को और भी घर बताओ कहीं where I can go. So this lady says कि थोड़ी दूर पे एक और lady है, family है, you can sell them. They are also getting it milk from somewhere. It will be better अगर आप उनको. So this guy says हाँ मैं गया था. They are taking hardly half a liter. I can't go so far and deliver milk. Now this guy didn't notice, this milkman, that the lady was pregnant, and that lady delivered a child in 2 months, and so the family size grew and they needed more milk thereafter. And after 5 years they had around two more children, and their family size increased, and somebody else was now delivering milk there. So he lost. He didn't see the future potential. So think from future perspective. The big thinker thinks from a future perspective. Okay, another example that he gave was a petty thinker when asked about the increasing the revenue. The petty thinker will come up with the cost cutting, whereas a big thinker would think about increasing the income. We must have noticed in the offices, जैसे ही बात होगी तो इनकम की तो लोग कॉस्ट कटिंग पे पहले आ जाते हैं. दे आर petty think. Big thinker would think about increasing the income कि कैसे कहाँ से income और बढ़ाई जा सकती. 6, very important, destroy fear. Now, no one can say that he is not scared of anything, right? Even Sam Manekshaw once said that there is no one who can say that he is not scared. There are only two people who can say that. One is a Gorkha and second is a Hamba who is fooling around, right? So everyone has fear, but it has to be managed because fear is the enemy number one of success. Fear stops people from capitalizing an opportunity. Opportunity आती है लेकिन हम डर जाते हैं. अरे कुछ इसमें क्या होगा, इसमें ये रिस्क है, मैं बोलूं कैसे. Fear actually makes people sick, causes organic difficulties. It closes our mouth. डर के मारे हम बोल नहीं पाते. हमें कुछ apprehensions रहते हैं, हम बोलेंगे तो पता नहीं लोग क्या सोचेंगे. So when you really want to express yourself, you are scared, and it all comes out of lack of confidence. And right in the beginning I said, if you are updating yourself, if you have the requisite knowledge and skills, this confidence will come. So it is the confidence, lack of confidence, that causes this fear कि मैं बोलता नहीं हूँ. And millions of people, they accomplish little because of this little fear that they have. So fear is a powerful force जो हमारी opportunities को या हमें आगे बढ़ने से रोकता है. And it's a state of mind again, and it can be managed easily. Every type of fear can be managed. So first is, the author says, action. Cure your fear, to isolate your fear, to manage your fear, take constructive action. In action or doing nothing about a situation, fear gets strengthened. So the first thing is to take action. There is a very good quote from Ratan Tata. He said, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. And another quote of his is, जो कि उसको attribute किया है, लेकिन रतन टाटा ने मना किया था एक इंटरव्यू में कि that has been wrongly attributed to him. But it's another very good quote. It says, I don't believe in taking right decisions. I take decisions and then make them right. It's a very good thing because a lot of people, because out of fear, they keep waiting. नहीं यार, right decision लेना है यार, तो ये evaluate करो, वो evaluate करो, options निकालो. Here this guy says, I take decisions and then work out to make them right. It is something like this. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. Then make an effort to put only positive thoughts in the memory. Don't let negativity come. लेकिन जैसे ही negativity आएगी, it will cause fear. So simply refuse to recall unpleasant events that have taken place in your life. बहुत सारी ऐसी situations होंगी और जिसमें unpleasant situations होंगी जो कि आपके दिमाग में रहती हैं, तो उनको शट करना है. Now इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल होता है क्रिकेट. आप एक सीरीज खेल रहे हो टेस्ट मैच की, और एक पर्टिकुलर बॉलर ने बैट्समैन को पहले आउट. अब अगर बैट्समैन उसी के बारे में सोचता रहेगा when he faces him in the next inning or next test match, then he will again get out. वो फिर से वो बॉलर सक्सीड हो जाएगा उसको आउट कर. बट इफ he takes a cue from this कि मैंने इसको इतनी बार ठोका है, right, तो that will give him the confidence to face him. He will not remember the unpleasant situation of last time. He will, वो अपने माइंड में डालेगा कि मैंने इसको कहाँ पे 4 मारा था, कहाँ 6 मारा था, इसको कैसे खेला था. So he forgets about those unpleasant situation that happened last time. So what he is doing is he is putting positive thoughts in his mind. Third, we also fear, and so we need to get a balanced view of other fellows. He is just another human being. Develop an understanding. As we observe people and interact more and more people, we will find that people are more alike than they are different. They have similar emotions. When we interact with people, we will get surprised कि लोगों के emotions कितने similar होते हैं. So get a balanced view of other fellows instead of fearing them. Then there is another fear of defeat and fear कि मेरा idea जो मैं दूंगा अगर वो reject हो जाए. तो जावेद अख्तर का एक बड़ा अच्छा शेर है, मैं शेरो शायरी तो करता नहीं हूं, लेकिन उसका जिस्ट बता सकते कि काम करने से डरना क्यों? अगर हासिल नहीं हुआ, अगर जो एम सेट किया अगर वो हासिल नहीं हुआ तो कम से कम तजुर्बा तो होगा. सो ईच टाइम वन फेल वन लर्न समथिंग. सो रिमेन enthusiastic. So what if your idea is rejected? So what, you have failed this time? Remain enthusiastic. Another very good quote that comes to my mind is Winston Churchill's quote on this. He says success is all about marching with enthusiasm from one failure to another. Such a fantastic quote. Success is all about marching with enthusiasm from one failure to another. Means failure आपको कोई फर्क नहीं कर रहा. You are just moving on with enthusiasm. So in nutshell, what it means is perseverance. Don't give. और हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? लगे रहो. So give up that fear in your mind. लगे रहो. Right? Then we come to another very good aspect that ये फियर कैसे होता है, मैं ये करूं नहीं करूं. सो प्रैक्टिस करने पे डू दैट प्रैक्टिस दैट डू व्हाट योर कॉन्शियंस टेल्स यू इज राइट. इट प्रिवेंट्स अस फ्रॉम डूइंग इट इन अ वे दैट इज एथिकली रॉन्ग, सो यू विल नॉट हैव द गिल्ट. राइट? एक आर्मी में एक पैम्फलेट है, एड टू सिविल अथॉरिटी. उसमें एक लाइन है कि action taken in good faith, you will not be punished for. That is, you got to prove that. कि action has been taken in good faith means it is your conscience that will tell you what is right, and so you will not fear. Problem होती है जब हमारे self interest घुस जाते हैं, vested interest होते हैं, तब हमें समझ में नहीं आता हम ये करें या वो करें. So एक fear रहता है decision में या काम करने में, action लेने में. But if your conscience is clear, then it will come out of your conscience कि यार ये करना चाहिए because it is ethically right. Then lastly he says about fear, express yourself with confidence, maintaining eye contact. One does not have to be impolite. So once you give up your fear, have no inhibitions कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, forget about it. Be polite and express yourself with confidence, maintaining eye contact. Reject हो गया, problem नहीं है. You have learned something, you will become better man. तजुर्बा तो हासिल हुआ. Okay. Then we move on to the next. This is very important. Become a creative thinker. Now that comes from that attitude which has helped you to upgrade your skills and knowledge. One can be creative thinker only when one develops that, But often creative thinking is associated with some kind of invention, discovery, but it is not. Someone finding a new and better method to solve a problem in office, at home, is also a creative thinker. We need to start thinking to solve a problem. अब इधर मिस्टर ट्रियम्फ भी काम आते हैं, आपका एटीट्यूड भी काम आता है, अपग्रेडेशन स्किल्स भी काम आता है. Then only what happens is that we become creative thinker. We have learned before that when you believe that you can do it, your mind will automatically find so many ways of doing things. जो लोगों को दूसरों को impossible लग रहे होंगे, आपका mind already is finding solution because आपने अपने माइंड में सिर्फ पॉजिटिव थॉट्स डाले हैं. यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन बी सक्सेसफुल. एंड देन योर माइंड वर्क्स टुवर्ड्स व्हाट? फाइंडिंग सॉल्यूशन. जैसे ही आइडिया आया, जैसे ही प्रॉब्लम आई, दिस मैन्स माइंड विल, वो जो मिस्टर ट्रियम्फ है, विल गेट ऑन विद द वर्क एंड ही विल बी लुकिंग फॉर सॉल्यूशन. सो बिलीविंग समथिंग, believing in yourself paves the way for creative solution. That's how we can train our mind to be constructive and mind will create a way if we allow the mind to do so. And he has given numerous examples of that. Okay, thereafter. Now, creative thinking में एक बड़ा important चीज आती है. जब आपने ये आपका दिमाग, मिस्टर ट्रियम्फ जो हैं वो आगे बढ़ के काम करते हैं, सो उसमें एक और चीज आती है कि प्रैक्टिस करें कि आस्किंग एंड लिसनिंग. नाउ बाय आस्किंग एंड लिसनिंग टू पीपल वी ऑब्टेन लॉट ऑफ मटेरियल, लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन to make sound decisions, to find solutions. Big people listen, small people monopolize talking. Stretch your mind, get stimulated, associate with people who can help you to think of new ideas, new ways of doing things. Mix with people of different occupational and social interests. अलग अलग लोगों से मिलने में से आपको अलग अलग solutions और वो दिमाग में आते हैं, ideas create होते हैं. And that's how one becomes creative thinker. Thereafter, make your environment work for you. Authors say a very important thing. People are not pulled up but lifted. Now lifted by whom? The team members, the peers, the colleagues, various stakeholders. People often ask, हमने कई बार सुना होगा मैनेजर्स और सीनियर मैनेजमेंट ने, will he be able to do the job? आप उसको बोल तो रहे हो, but will he be able to perform? Will he be able to follow up the thing? Now, you must have observed some people commanding confidence, loyalty and admiration, while others do not. And look further closer, and we will closer, and you will observe that those persons who command the most respect are also successful people. Now, what is the explanation behind this? All this we can learn by observing people around us. एंड वी फाइंड दिस, और हमने भी ऑफिस में, अपने कॉलेजेस में, इंस्टीट्यूशंस में देखा होगा कि कुछ लोग दे कमांड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, लॉयल्टी एंड एडमिरेशन व्हाइल अदर्स डू नॉट. सो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या है? इट इज हाउ दे थिंक. द वे वी थिंक, we deserve that, and thinking does make it. How you think determines how you act, and how you act in turn determines how others react. जैसा हम एक्शन कैसा करते हैं, जैसा हम सोचते हैं, और जैसा हम एक्शन करते हैं दूसरा भी उसके वैसे ही रिएक्ट करता है. देयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग वन कैन गो थ्रू. जोहरी विंडो. ओके, यू कैन सी, वॉच द वीडियो on my channel. Johari window, it's very important for personal development program. So we are what we think. So how should we think? For that we need to look within. मैं कैसा सोचता हूँ? How am I thinking? Do I spend more time thinking on ideas, problems and their solutions, or on issues like petty gossips, petty politicking? उसने ऐसा किया था, अच्छा कल मैं जाऊंगा तो ऐसा करूँ. So how much time do we devote on these things? Ask yourself, would an important worry or think like this? अगर किसी व्यक्ति को काम करना है तो क्या वो all the time he would be thinking about this politicking, gossips and all that, or would he be focusing on it कि ये challenge है and I should be finding a solution to it? कहीं से आइडिया आता है. What would an important person do if he had this idea, and what would a small person do अगर कोई उसे आइडिया देता है तो? He might say, don't teach me anything, I know better. Appearance. Do I look someone who is सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट? फौज में जवानों के बैरक्स के बाहर और कई जगह बैरक्स में या कॉरिडोर्स में यू विल फाइंड अ बिग मिरर, और उसके ऊपर लिखा होता है एम आई लुकिंग स्मार्ट, जिससे कि कोई भी बंदा वहां से निकल रहा हो, बड़े से मिरर के सामने वो अपने को देखता है तो देखता है उसकी बेयरिंग, उसकी तोन तो नहीं निकली हुई है, बेल्ट टाइट है, कैप उसकी ठीक है, उसने शेव ठीक से की हुई है. इज ही लुकिंग स्मार्ट? सो अगर मैं खुद ही अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा हूं तो दुनिया भी मेरे को उसी नजर से देखेगी. देन इज द लैंग्वेज. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लैंग्वेज सक्सेसफुल पीपल यूज? आर दे एब्यूसिव और रूड, impolite? So therefore we need to find out what kind of language they use, and this all comes through observation. We need to think this way. Am I getting bogged down by my own peers who are creating a stumbling block? ये नेचुरल फिनोमेना है भाई, कि जहां हम काम करते हैं इट इज वेरी ऑब्वियस एंड इट हैपेंस, इट विल हैपन श्योरली, कि द peers might be creating stumbling block for us. Okay, but there is a beautiful quote that I noted down for such occasion and remind the employees जहाँ पे मैं workshops वगैरह conduct कर, जब भी ये बात आती है कि सर दूसरे लोग टांग खींचते हैं, फलाना होता है. So long back, it's about Sachin Tendulkar. Many years back, Sachin had some back problem and tennis elbow. He was out of cricket for almost 1 year, more than 1 year. Lot of his own ex-colleagues who were doing commentary that time, they started saying that it's high time Sachin's body is not now capable to take on so much of stress, so he should retire. After 1.5 years, Sachin came back. It was a series against Sri Lanka and he scored back-to-back century. And thereafter, he, in one of the, somebody asked in one press briefing or something, he said, and it's a beautiful quote for all managers, for everyone, जिनको ये तकलीफ होने लगती है कि मेरे बारे में लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, वो मेरी टांग खींचता है या वो आगे नहीं बढ़ने देते. So Sachin said, people have the right to make an opinion and express it. Remember, once again, people have the right to form an opinion and express it, but I have a bigger job to do, that is to go out and deliver and perform, and that's what I have been doing, and I will. सबको शांत कर दिया. Remember this, people have the right to form an opinion and express it, but we have a bigger job to do, deliver, perform. Thereafter, adopt a human, think from others' perspective. Like they say, put yourself in other man's shoe and then think. Emotional intelligence. Read about emotion, what emotional intelligence is about, and you develop a high EQ. What we today need is not high IQ people, but high EQ people. Okay, read about it, what is it, and it will be good for you, right? So here are the essential aspects of this book. If you have time, go through it, or else I think this 15 minutes, if you go listen to it carefully, note down the essential aspects, and put them into action. This will help you becoming successful. Meaning of successful is your own, but beginning is with the goal. Thank you. Jai Hind.